Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to show your phone number to everyone in Telegram. If you want to make your phone number visible to all Telegram users, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version installed for the best experience and access to all features. Step 2. On the app's interface, locate the 3 stacked lines icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to access the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the Privacy and Security section, continue scrolling down until you reach the Privacy settings. Step 5. Tap on Phone Number to access the options related to your phone number visibility. Step 6. Among the available options, select Everyone. This will make your phone number visible to all Telegram users. By following these simple steps, you can make your phone number visible to everyone, enabling others to see and contact you directly on Telegram. Remember, it's important to consider your privacy and security when sharing your phone number. Only choose this option if you are comfortable with making your phone number accessible to a wide audience. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in showing you how to display your phone number to everyone on Telegram. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy connecting with a broader community and sharing your phone number on Telegram.